Hey everybody, this is Andy with HKI USA. We're here at the HKI studios, going to chat a little bit about our GZCF line of coaxial speakers. Most of you are familiar with the GZCF 6.5 SPL that we released a little over a year ago. A great speaker, very versatile, and it's used in more than just power sports, even though it was developed for the power sports market. We brought out the 8-inch just so that we had another fit for the power sports market, but again, it works very well in the car world. We've noticed a gap in the speaker line and a need for a 6x9 that's actually a drop-in fit that can be used almost anywhere. We did specifically start this with the power sports in mind. The reason I say that, they are all weather resistant, and most of the time you find 6x9s in the motorcycle world. So we're very excited to release the 6x9. We've been waiting for it for quite a while. If you've got any questions about it, reach out to a local authorized Ground Zero dealer or one of your reps. You can also look us up at groundzerousa.com or hkiusa.com. Have a good day.